Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today was Nifty expiry and we saw a move on the upside as well as on the downside. And as I had said that there is a likelihood of downside more is because we have seen that at all-time high today we saw a drastic down move, right? In a matter of just 10 to 15 minutes there was a very good downfall and then again the market rose. Now the key thing to understand here is the markets are at all-time high, both Bank Nifty and Nifty, and there is going to be profit booking definitely by big players who have bought at a very lower price, and they will take the price further up in order to attract more of retailers or more of inexperienced traders, so that they can go ahead and enter into very high prices and then enter at very high prices, and then they will the big players will start booking their profits, wherein the market will kind of come down or collapse. Now we'll take a look at the charts in details to understand how and why I feel this, but before that, a disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, the candles that we have for the last 8 to 10 trading sessions is more of a red candle, right? As you can see here. So big players are trying to book a certain amount of profits, but the thing is, retailers or people like us are entering at these high prices. The market has already uh, rallied a lot. So if you see this point here, which is close to, I think we had discussed this, right? Close to this, right? Just give me a minute. Yeah. So this low is 21,281. So 21,200 or 21,300 till what is the price now? The price today, I mean the all-time high is at 23,666, roughly around 23,664. So almost like 2,000 plus points on Nifty in a matter of uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 trading sessions is something big, right? And anyone who would have purchased at a lower price would definitely go ahead and book profits. So this is perhaps not the best time to enter into upside trade. You will see the market move up, no doubt about that, but the it will not sustain at a very high price for a longer term, right? So and it will be very difficult for you to gauge when to exit from the market or when to uh, buy more, add more to your quantity, right? So the best thing to do here is wait to see if the market comes down to a support, and from there when it again bounces back, that's when you can enter into a upside trade. Again, I have been saying this: don't trade for near term expiry. If you are intending to trade on upside, trade for a longer term expiry. In the shorter term, that is, as I had said in yesterday's video also, from 20th June till probably second week of July, or maybe till end of July, I will expect the market to correct and Nifty to test 23,000 levels probably, and even Bank Nifty to test 50,000 level again, right? So let's quickly take a look at the key levels for tomorrow. The key levels for tomorrow for Nifty are 23,633 on the upper side and 23,433 on the lower side. In between these 200 points, the market will be range bound, and if the price breaks and sustains about 23,633, then one can consider initiating an upside trade. However, I will not be comfortable to trade on the upside right now at this moment. But if anyone is going ahead with the trade on the upside, then let the price sustain about 23,633, and if it does that, then uh, go ahead with a trade with very less quantity. I'm telling this again, very less quantity, and with a strict stop loss. uh, the stop loss has to be such that you won't lose a lot of money, because the market is going to give you opportunity to trade the downside. So have capital ready when you get that particular kind of a move. So then immediate, and also if you are trading on the upside, try to book profits early, wherein if the price sustains about 23,633, then 23,700 would be uh, uh, one of the targets for profit booking, and then 23,800 would be another. I strongly doubt that the price will go beyond 23,800, at least till July mid. And even if it goes, I think it will touch 24,000 and or nearby levels, and come back again to close somewhere much lower than 24,000, right? So these are the key levels to watch out for. Let's move on to Bank Nifty now. Now Bank Nifty is relatively stronger as compared to Nifty. I've been seeing this, and today's candle also indicates that the buyers are in the market. If you see this, the market opened with a gap up, but there was a price, I mean there was profit booking that was seen, and then the price again recovered to close higher. Both the candles in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, both are more like a doji type of candle. There is uncertainty, there is indecisiveness in the market, but uh, Bank Nifty is more strong as compared to Nifty. Again, in case of Bank Nifty also, we have seen similar, a very big good bullish rally from the day of uh, election results, that is this one. And the market has rallied from the low of 46,000, right? So as you can see here, 46,077. So almost from 46,000 it has touched 52,000, so almost like a 6,000 points of movement in just a span of 10 trading sessions, right? Which is very huge. And what I'm trying to say is, it's not that the price will not go up right now, it will definitely go up, but again it will not sustain there, and it will come back down. And as novice traders or as inexperienced traders, uh, it's often we that get caught up in these kinds of scenarios. The big players definitely make money. It's the retailers that lose bulk of the money, right? So if you have missed this rally, then I would suggest sit along the sidelines and watch. If it comes down to this middle of the purple channel, if the middle of the purple channel gets retested, and from there there is a hope that it will reverse, right? So it will retest the middle of the purple channel, and from there probably we can initiate a upside trade. Another thing I want to highlight is that today the price has managed to close above the top of the purple channel, and if you see in the past, this has happened on multiple occasions. However, the price did not sustain outside of the channel for long. So let me give you examples. So if you can see here, the price, this was on the down move, right? So let's ignore this, but this is on the up move. It closed above the purple channel, the top of the purple channel, and then the next candle again it went inside. Again here it closed above the top of the purple channel, again here it went inside. Again here it closed on the top of the purple channel here, and again in the next few candles it again tested the bottom of the purple channel. Again, if you see here, it closed on the top, it closed above the top of the purple channel, this one, on 10th April, and again in the next following few trading sessions it retested the bottom. In this case, on 29th April it did not close above the top of the purple channel, but the next day it went past the top of the purple channel and came back in to close in like a shooting star candle, and then from there again it retested the bottom of the purple channel. From there again, just before the election date, it managed to close on the top of the purple channel, and the very next day, due to a lot of speculations related to results, and the market again retested the bottom of the purple channel. And after that, after the result day, I mean after the day before result day, today again the market has managed to close above the purple channel. Yesterday it went past the purple channel, but it did not sustain, and it did not close above the top of the purple channel, but today it did, right? So it will be interesting to see how few of the next candles shape up, right? So another thing I wanted to highlight is this particular line, right? So this one, this, if you see, let me rearrange it properly. Yeah, if you see this particular line, which let me connect it to the tops of, let me connect it to the most of the tops, right? Most of the tops. Yeah. Okay. So if you see this, this line is kind of a trend line, and which was acting like a resistance. So it acted as resistance on this occasion, again it acted as resistance on this occasion, again here, again this one, again this one, not exactly near the channel but somewhere little below it, again here, it acted as a resistance, again yesterday again on 3rd of June it acted as resistance, yesterday also it acted as resistance, but today the market has closed above it, right? So if this is to be believed, right, and if this is considered as a is as not a false breakout, then in that case we may see further upside. Now further upside would definitely be till 52,000 as first target, which is roughly around 300 points from here, but also we can see the movement till 52 300 or 52 500 also, right? However, the price will not sustain there, and we will see sharp profit booking and also downside following it, right? So in all possibility there is a chance that this middle of the channel will be retested, and not only this middle of the channel but also the bottom of this purple channel will be retested in the coming trading sessions. That's what the trend has been, that's what the pattern suggests, and that's what I'll also be looking for. If I have to trade on the upside, I'll wait for a correction at till the support, and from there if I find a positive candle, then in that case I can go ahead with the upside trade. On the contrary, if the price is going up and I want to go ahead with a downside trade, then I'll wait for a particular level, a psychological level like 52,000 or 52,400, sorry 52,500, wherein if a negative candle is formed, then I'll go ahead and initiate a downside trade with a strict stop loss. Also trade with very less quantity unless you get a um, familiar what you would say, the terrain, right? Familiar terrain to trade with, because right now it is trading in no man's land, both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you never know from where it will reverse, from where the profit booking may start, right? So trade with very less quantities. And also I in yesterday's video I had mentioned that if you can avoid this FNO trading, best thing to do, uh, if you have money, invest it in stocks for the next 5 years, and I think that's going to be a better deal rather than wasting money on wrong trades, right? So let's take a look at the key levels where we can trade tomorrow for Bank Nifty. The key levels for Bank Nifty are 51,855 on the upper side and 51,255 on the lower side. So in between these 600 points, I think the market is going to be range bound. And what you can do is, I mean, if I want to still trade, I mean, uh, despite knowing all the odds against volatility, against uncertainty related to the all-time high profit booking, etc., if still I want to go ahead and trade, I would be interested to trade on upside at a lower level of 51 to 55, which is the level to watch out for. As I said, from at close to 51 to 55, if I find a positive candle formation, then I'll go ahead with the upside trade with a strict stop loss. Likewise, at 51,855 I would be keen to initiate a downside trade, and but only after a negative candle is formed, right? And again with a strict stop loss and with less quantity. So these are the two levels, 51,855 and 51,255 on Bank Nifty. If the price uh, breaks and sustains above 51,855, then definitely 52,000 is the immediate target that we are looking for. And from where, if at all we will see profit booking, then that will be a downside. If the price breaks and sustains above 52,000, then in that case there will be massive short covering rally, and the price may go up to 52,200 and 52,300 as well. On the other side, if the price breaks and sustains below 51 to 55, then 51,000 would be the first target for us, and from where we can expect some reversal. But if 51,000 level breaks and if the price sustains below it, then definitely 50,500 happens to be the next level to watch out for, and then 50,000 may also be retested in the coming trading sessions, right? So it is very likely that the price is going to show some correction, because the rally that we have seen, and this rally is not just from the past 10 days. If you zoom out, then you will see that the rally has been amazing. If you see this, right, if you see this, that there is hardly a down move. All the moves are up moves, right? So after this from here, almost like from what levels, 42,000, from almost like 42,000, it's 10,000 points rally that we have seen, right? And in a matter of few months, so from November till June, in a matter of 6 to 7 months, I think 10,000 points we have moved. And as I said, in these last 10 days itself, almost like 6,000 points we have moved. So uh, there is going to be correction, so be aware about that, and trade very cautiously, especially in these untraded waters, right? So that's the analysis from my side. Just before that, today FII has purchased somewhere around 300 or 400 crores of shares, and DI has sold somewhere around 300 crores of shares. So roughly there is net positive, but not a very big amount, or big quantity, right? And also yesterday, DI and FII had both purchased shares. So I think uh, we are looking at some buying that is going to happen, but again, the likelihood of it sustaining is very less. And also we have seen DI has been buying consistently, except for one or two odd occasions. So today has been the occasion where they prefer to sell, and FI has been selling earlier, but of the past few days it has been consistently buying, and buying huge quantities. So except for today, so they may also book profits, and DI who have been buying right from the word go, they may also book certain things, and the price may show correction, the market may show correction. So trade very cautiously, right? So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you were able to take trade today, and whether you made profits or whether you booked losses. And also, if there's anything else you would want me to cover as part of these videos, do let me know. Also, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And last, just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock markets. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.